L.N. Hoshing Vidyalaya Samkhet. This video is made by me under the guidance of respected Principal Mr. S.B. Hoshing sir.
Standard 8, Subject English. Chapter The House Builder. Hello children, welcome to our English session. Today we are going to read a story of a house builder. Children, can you tell me who built a house for us? Mason. Yes, a mason is a person who built house with stone, brick, cement, etc. So let's start reading the story. This is a story about a mason who worked for a building contractor. The mason always strove to do his work to perfection. As soon as a house had been designed by the architect and details were finalized by the engineer, the contractor would send to the mason and leave the responsibility of building the house to him. The mason would then, without wasting any time, start his work. He would take great interest in work of building and do it with full dedication. He made sure that he used the best construction material of a high quality. The measurement of the walls, doorway, arches, etc. were perfect, and he gave the excellent and appealing finish to whatever he built. The owner of the house built would be more than satisfied with the construction because of the zeal, diligence, loyalty and persistency that he displayed in his work. The mason was in a great demand and fetched good business to his contractor. Subsequently, the contractor recompensed the mason with a very good salary. He could meet the need of his family successfully without any. The mason thus continued working with a great devotion for many years, till he became a grandfather. Then he decided that it was time to retire and spend time playing with his grandchildren. Being a firm-minded person, he informed to his contractor of his decision to retire from house building. The contractor was very disheartened to lose such an excellent workman and urged the mason to continue his job, but to no avail. The mason had made up his mind and refused to carry on. Finally, the contractor convinced the mason build one last house on a beautiful and convenient site as a special favor. The mason agreed to do so with great reluctance, not too happily either. The construction started. It was the most beautiful designed house to be built at the sought after location. However, the mason would not put his mind and heart in his work. He did his work very roughly and carelessly without interest of dedication. Even the building material used was of low quality. He simply wanted to complete the job in haste and finally complete. The house was ready earlier than expected, very roughly made structures. Weak walls, poor finish and did not take a good at all design. Yet the mason did not care. He informed the contractor that the house was completed to hand over his keys. The contractor arrived at the site. He had a file of legal documents in his hand. The mason handed over the new house's key to him. But the contractor did not step forward to enter the house to see it. Instead, with a bored smile, he handed over a file along with the house keys. So, to the mason and said, becoming a happy tone, these are of this new house in your, that is the gift for you. Homework. Answer the following questions. First, why was the mason a very good workman? Second, what was the contrast in the workmanship of the last house? What 10. Match the pairs.
and write down into your notebooks. Stay home, stay safe.